All right, so welcome to GPTzign. So I wanted to explain what is GPTzign and how it works. So basically, GPTzign, I created it because I tend to create a lot of marketing materials with ChatGPT. And then every time I had to go back to previous materials I created to get the right prompts and get the right flow of things in order to get the best output from ChatGPT. So I created GPTzign to kind of systemize that process so that I can create sales video, scripts, blog posts, emails, and so on pretty fast with the GPTzign framework here. So the way it works, once you're logged in, click on New Product, click on enter a campaign name. So I'm going to call it Product Launch. The brand name is going to be GPTzign. Product or service description. So you want to explain what your product does here. So GPTzign is a prompt generator for Chat GPT that makes it easy for marketers to create the right prompts for blog posts, emails, ads, sales copy, Twitter threads, and more. Okay, so you want to be reasonably descriptive here. Try to have at least 2 lines like I have here. You can even add more information, and this is very important because this is the starting instructions we're going to give to ChatGPT, and you're going to see what I mean. So the niche is going to be digital marketing. Audience, let's say, is going to be digital marketers. The style, so we have various style from various marketers. So this is going to influence like the emails, the way they are written, the voice that's used in the email. So for instance, I can have it right in the style of Frank Kern, or I can put none. There's various marketers here like Gary Albert, Amy Potterfield, and so on. And then you have the tone. Okay, so the tone, I'm going to put friendly. So this is the tone as well of the emails, the ads, the tone of the writing. So now I click on create campaign. And so now I have my campaign, which is ready here. So what you want to do first is to copy the starting instructions here and paste them into ChatGPT. Okay. And let's read through these starting instructions here. So what I say here is that I instruct ChatGPT that it is a talented digital marketing expert at a top-tier marketing research firm. His style is direct, to the point, and here's a little bit of information about my company. So then, this is about the company and the campaign I'm building. So everything we just wrote into GPTzign, and then I asked him if you understand. So this is just to instruct ChatGPT to behave in a certain way, in this case as a marketing expert, and to give it all the basic information it needs to be able to create all the marketing materials I'm going to need next. So next I click on customer profile, for instance, or I could do lead magnets or adverts or YouTube video, but let's say with customer profile. And basically you just have to go through the steps. So step 1, we're going to copy this prompt to the clipboard and go here and paste it. So this prompt is give me a detailed ideal customer profile for GPTzign. Use bullet points to make it more readable, including demographic information. So now, because I've given him the right starting instruction, it's pretty easy for ChatGPT to output this information. I'm gonna just copy what it has here. I'm not gonna wait for it to go through it, and then I can save the idea here. And so now I have saved this concept in the software for a customer profile. Next, I have the pain points and angles. So I'm just gonna actually it's providing some pain points here, but not some angles. So I'm gonna wait for it to finish and then generate the next prompt. Okay, so what is this person's biggest pain point and what is the best angle to market GPTzign to them? Again, use bullet points for readability purposes. So these prompts are crafted to be efficient. You can see here we're asking him to use bullet points so that it's readable. So now it's providing me with pain points and marketing angles. So I'll just copy that output and put it here so it's saved in the system. So next, I'll give you another example. Let's say we want to create an email. Okay, so we'll choose the email type. So we have different types of emails here. Let's say we want to do a gain, logic, fear email sequence. So this is an email sequence by Ryan Dice. Sorry. So now I will just copy this to the clipboard, then go here and paste it here. Okay, and you can see the prompt is write a gain, logic, fear email sequence using my chosen audience, style, and tone. So this is very different, very important, sorry, because as you see earlier on, we define the style, which was Frank Kern, and the tone to be friendly. So this is going to apply that style and tone here to the email. So you can see it's writing me this email sequence, which is again the gain, loss, fear email sequence, and we have a bunch of them. So again, this is very handy. And what I can do then, once I'm happy with it, I'll just copy it and save email, and here we go, save. And I can do the same for Twitter thread, YouTube videos, and so on. And I'm going to show you an example of a campaign where I filled all the information. So if I go to sales copy, for instance, I can see the copy it has generated here. I think there is a Twitter thread. Actually, no, this is not filled yet. Okay, there's a sample blog post. So the idea here is to go through the steps so that you have all the basic marketing material you need to then push your campaign available. And if you click on view all outputs, you can see now your ideal customer profiles, your pain point, lead magnets, email, adverts, sales copy, Twitter thread, videos, and so on. Everything in one place. So then it's easy to take this information and start promoting your product, start deploying it. So that's what GPTzign does for you. Yeah, I hope this will be helpful. Let me know if you have any questions about it.